Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. So I had some people in the comments, it's like, how do you keep your element so clean? So I'm gonna give you guys a quick detailing of how I clean my element. And I just don't do a regular car wash, you know, just soap and water, wipe it, dry it, and that's it. No, I take it just a little bit up, a little bit higher, while even removing the wheels, cleaning the back of the wheels, cleaning the wheel tubs out, and also power washing the engine bay and also underneath. So the inside, I usually keep that pretty clean. I usually don't store nothing in it, in any of my cars actually, and the only thing I keep in there is the stuff that goes in a glove box and some of the little knickknacks in the back. But other than that, I normally keep it clean. So we're just gonna focus on the outside today, and you know, just basic cleaning, and maybe somebody do it themselves. And I actually been doing it, and sometimes my neighbor, he even does the same thing. He'll take the tires off because behind the wheels it gets very, very dirty. So let's get started on that. All right, so I got the tires off, and what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna treat the inner wheels and the tires, and also I'm gonna spray all the undercarriage and wheel wells with Purple Power. It's a degreaser, and yes, that will cause your car to squeak because I clean it so much, the bushings become squeaky clean. I guess, but yeah, it does on most of the cars. After I wash them, I have to like use some type of like WD-40 or some type of lubricant because it dries stuff out, which doesn't bother me because I like it clean. And yes, I know you're thinking this dude is crazy pulling the wheels off to wash a car. I don't do it all the time. I do it quite often, but not a lot. Like it's more like every, I want to say about 8 car washes. The 9th or 10th one, I pull the wheels off and clean it. Now I do spray the wheel wells every time I power wash everything, and there's a plane. Perfect timing. But not often. And the things I use, let me just show you what I use real quick. I got that as a gift for my neighbor Rogelio. That is badass. I like it. I like it a lot. It's very tiny. It's a power washer, 1600 psi electric. It's small. Let me show you how small it is. This is a spray bottle, and there you can see the comparison how small it is. Very small, compact. I love it. And also I got an undercarriage sprayer from it's Ryobi. I think that's how you say it, Ryobi. And I got the undercarriage sprayer too. So you just have to hook that to your power washer and just go underneath the car and power wash it. I like it a lot. And just using the standard bucket of water. There's a sprayer there. I have the foamer, but I don't have the foamer for the power washer, so I'll probably have to turn this all off and hook that up so we can put some soap in it. But let's get back to the tires real quick and show you what I did. Okay, so that's that's pretty much it. That's all I do. I just scrub it and make sure it's clean. And I just do it to all four, but I only have 2 jack stands. So I'm only gonna do the back, and then, you know, put it back together and then do the front. And then next thing we're gonna do is the undercarriage cleaning. All right, so it's time to move towards the front. Got the back totally done. I know some people thinking, oh, you wetting the threads and everything, it's gonna rust. No, I always put anti-seize on it. Even when I don't wash, anytime I pull, you know, tires and stuff off. And some people cars I work on, I have to jump on the breaker bar to break them loose, and that's way beyond factory torque. So I just go by that to see what the torque is, and I torque it to that. So yeah, like I said, I put anti-seize on all the threads and sprayed all the moving parts with it's some kind of lube I have. I forgot what it is, but I'll mention it later. So we got the front up, so we're gonna get started on that part and knock those out too.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, so another reason why I do this, and also can inspect the car, you know, check everything, look and see what's leaking and what's not. So I did discover a problem, and golly, I didn't want to tackle that today, but I'm gonna have to. Let me show you what I'm talking about real quick. Let me see if I can get you guys down there. It might be a little dark, but I hope you guys can see it. Let me see. No, you cannot. Okay, let me go grab a light. All right, here we go. Golly, it's so dark and it's bright. Let me see here.
It sound right, boys.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh, there it is. Now you can see it. That boot is gone. She threw all the stuff out. So I don't know if I'll probably just end up replacing the axle. I don't think it's gonna hurt anything, but golly, and I'm parked in the middle of the driveway, so I can't grab another car. So I'm gonna have to put this all back together and then go get an axle. Yep, that happens sometimes. And I need to drive this, so man, if it ain't one thing, it's another, or it's another, and another one after that. But it's okay, I can fix it. If I had to pay somebody to go do it, then I'll be in trouble. I probably won't be in trouble. I just try to YouTube it and figure it out and see how to fix it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up. I am gonna just power wash all that grease off, and then I'm gonna move it to the side and grab another car. See, it's always, I don't know, people think I'm crazy or weird having so many cars, but when you have one car and it breaks down, you are screwed. Either you gotta go find somebody to take you here and pick you up and get parts. You got more than one car, push that shit to the side and grab another. Just like my Civic, that thing is possessed. It just, one day it just don't want to run. I thought maybe it was a fuel pump or replaced it. No, it don't want to start no more. So push it to the side and leave it. And one day I get on it. I'm not even worried about it right now. So I'm gonna finish cleaning this. I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna do the whole deal, and then I'm gonna pull my cord out and go up and see if I can find another axle. If not, if they just have a boot, I'm just gonna rebuild it, clean all the grease out, put new grease, put another boot on there. I think that's probably be the best thing. Yeah, probably be, if they have it, but I doubt it. Well, a universal one may work. I don't know if it's just me, but I like having Rhino-Line rims, because when you put the wheel dressing on it, if you have some chrome wheels or some alloys or something like that, or even if you care, you either use a pad to apply the dressing on the tire shine, or you spray it and then wipe the rim off. Not me. Not especially on here, no. On other cars, yes. But here, I just, look, just spray the whole thing. Don't even matter. Yep, don't matter. Just Rhino-Line.